Hey guys, this is a real video.
On the Hitson channel, right?
Yes!
It's Dad and Dad. Hey! So, I just got home from work. Yeah. And Gavin made me a nice little spot to hang out on. The couch.
And we're gonna make helicopters. H for helicopters.
H for helicopters. Today's letter of the day is H.
H for Hitson.
For Hitson. That's right. Yeah, man. All right, so.
And guys, do you like my shirt I'm wearing?
Gavin's got a cool Superman shirt he got for his birthday on. Yeah. Thumbs up. Like us if you like Gavin's shirt.
Give us a big thumbs up. Tell us if you can get 1 million thumbs up.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Yeah.
And then I think we're gonna make a fire in the fireplace today. What do you guys think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe we can show everyone how to make a fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool, right?
Yeah.
All right. Should we go do that? Oh, Gavin's got to finish his helicopter. Let's go see where your helicopter is.
Well, we haven't made it.
Oh, we got our Home Depot projects, our helicopters here. We love our Home Depot projects, right?
Yeah, they're helicopters.
Helicopters, yeah, man.
They're camo.
All right, let's open them up.
There's two for Belly too.
Yeah, we got one for Bentley. There's Chase, man, hanging out. What's up, Chase? You gonna help us make some helicopters, Chase? All right, open it up. Yeah, let's see what we gotta do.
Okay.
All right.
I need to
Here,
be
hold the camera.
Okay. Is this a camera or a phone?
My phone. Put it on the camera.
Yeah, it's on the camera. Why are there numbers on it?
The time it's been recording. We're making our YouTube video, right? Hey, everybody. Alright, so we got all these parts here.
Yeah, the helicopters.
Instructions.
Yeah, instructions.
So,
Yeah.
I'll get the hammer and a screwdriver. We are going to teach you guys how to make this helicopter from Home Depot. So, pretty cool.
So there's so many. We got a hammer now.
Oh, that's the Spanish side. We don't need it. I don't know how to read Spanish. Do you know how to read Spanish?
No.
No, me neither. Okay, so here we've got some pretty simple instructions. Let's start with the legs of the plane, right? Okay, so we flip them upside down, lay them on the rounded side. Okay.
Flip them upside down, guys.
And then we've got to stick them right there. Start with one first, right?
Dad, I'm
Okay.
gonna tell them something.
Okay, what's up?
Tell us, guys, if you ever built this before.
All right, yeah, comment below if you guys have ever built this before. We love doing our Home Depot projects. Gavin's done like almost 50, I swear.
Yeah, it's almost 50.
His Home Depot apron is covered in pins that you get.
Yeah, but I didn't get my parents.
Yeah, these ones were extra that we had from Gavin's birthday party last year, actually. We got to build a bunch of projects from Home Depot.
Mine broke, so we're going to build a new one.
Yeah, so Gavin's broke, and we're going to build a new one. And so we need to start with the nails here, right? It's kind of hard to do with the camera in my hand.
The small one?
So, yep, short nails. So Gavin's going to stick it in there.
And
Okay, you got it?
we need a hammer.
Yeah. Watch my fingers. Gavin's pretty good with the hammer. All right, let's see it. All right, nice job. next one.
And then I can hammer it.
Nice work. Good one. Alright. Let's get this one set up.
No, I need this one because it's a little.
Hold on. Let's just get them started. We'll finish them.
Dad, I already got that one all the way down.
Okay, yeah, you did that one good. Alright, get that one next. A little scary with my fingers right here. Okay. Let's do this one next.
Yeah.
Okay, slam it home, Gav. Nice one. Alright.
These two are all the way tightened.
You want me to slam the rest of them home? Here, you hold the camera.
Now I'm done.
You hold the camera and watch.
Now I'm do that.
Oh, Gavin wants to do it? Okay.
Yeah.
Hit it. Pretty good, huh? How about that one? Hit it. Hit it. There you go. Is that good?
Yeah!
Alright, so
Wait for it. It looks like a ladder.
we got the landing gear made.
It looks like a
Right,
ladder.
Gav?
It looks like a ladder.
Okay, so now we take and flip this guy up. Stand it up.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So we got that piece stood up.
Yeah.
We're going to take this guy
And then
and
put
stick
it
it
on
right in the middle.
And then do we need the big ones?
I think so. Hold on. Then 2 long nails. This one's going to be hard to do. You think you can do it?
I think I can.
Okay. I think he can do it. He's pretty good with a hammer.
Yeah.
He takes after his dad, right?
Yeah.
Dad's pretty good with a hammer. Oh man, this is scary. Ah!
No.
You want me to get it started?
Yeah.
Okay. You hold the camera while I get it started. You
Dad,
gotta turn around.
Daddy is gonna be making it. Assemble it.
Alright, we'll start the nails for Gavin.
Yeah.
This one's pretty hard. Even for me.
Oh.
Okay, we got it on there. That one's pretty hard. Even for me. So I suggest Mom and Dad doing that one. That one's pretty difficult. Unless you're really good with a hammer, right?
Yeah.
So now, do you want to paint this now, or do you want to... Oh, we'll just put the stickers on, right?
What about this piece?
Well, I know, but you either paint those first, or you want to just put stickers on.
Just the stickers on. And
Okay.
Put this on.
Alright, cool. So now we've got the rotor, or whatever this is. Oh, you want to put stickers on now? That one's this side. Nope. Yep. See how good Gavin does. Oh yeah, that looks good.
A little bit good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Move this one forward just a little bit compared to that one.
Yeah. Comment
Nope,
below.
forward that way.
Comment below if you ever are really good at stickers.
If you're really good at stickers, comment below, Gavin says. Oh, what the heck?
What the heck?
There we go. Nice one. That looks good, right?
Nice.
Smush it on there a little bit, right? That's what you gotta do, right, Gav?
Yep. And then we need this on.
What's that one?
Is this really a sticker?
Where? Let me see.
It's not really a sticker.
Oh, the Home Depot parts?
Yeah.
No. Okay, so now we gotta put
The propeller.
the propeller. That's what it is. And then this is the rotor, the little one.
It's literally
Okay.
this.
So, Gavin, can you get this in there?
It goes like that. Yeah, I can.
Can't see the hole.
Is that difficult?
It's a little difficult.
me screw.
It's hard for me to do one-handed. Gavin, why don't you help me? You got it. Here, put it in the hole. There you go. Okay, now put your screwdriver on it.
Okay.
Okay. So here's a little trick. We'll put your screwdriver on it, and then hold on. There. Okay, now start screwing. Push down a little bit when you're on it. Yeah, push down a little bit with your other hand. There you go. There you go. Now you're getting it. Great job. Yeah. See this thing on top? Put this. There you go. Put one hand on top.
Your turn.
Well, I can't do it with a camera. You gotta do it. Put your hand up top, push down, and then turn with the other hand. There you go. Yeah. So you push down with one hand and let it spin in it. Good enough. Got it on there? Pretty hard?
I'll hold the camera.
Okay. Look at me. There you go. So see with this? See, I'm pushing down with that.
Well,
There you go.
I'm not strong enough to do it.
Should we leave it a little loose so it turns?
It's really loose.
Alright, so now we got the rotor to put on, right?
Yeah, the road. Well, the sign says it needs to go like that.
Yep.
Dad's gonna do this one.
Okay, I'll do this one for Gavin. Whoa!
And this is my helicopter.
And here's Gavin's helicopter.
Here's Bentley's, just in case if he wants it.
Alright, so there's our helicopter,
Yeah.
everybody. Pretty easy to make, pretty quick.
Yeah, now we're gonna make our garbage trucks.
Oh, geez, now we're making a garbage trucks too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
the
and
garbage.
everyone, you can paint it if you want, right? You can paint them if you feel like it. Sometimes we paint our projects. Sometimes we just think they're cool the way they are with the stickers, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so Gavin wants to get his garbage truck out, huh?
But you can't, you can paint your garbage truck if you want. You don't have to. You can do anything you want.
Okay. Yep.
Guys.
Look at the helicopter, guys. Oh, yeah. These are pretty fun. We really love doing them. You go, like, the first Saturday of every month at Home Depot, and they have a different project.
Yeah.
They haven't had them the last couple months because of the coronavirus, the sickness.
Yeah, that's really.
So it kind of stinks, but I was able to get the garbage trucks from that were supposed to be this month's project when I went into Home Depot to grab something. So next up, we're gonna do the garbage trucks. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.